Hi everybody, I'm Chef Dad.
And we're the Little Dumplings.
And today we're gonna make crispy pork shoulder and steamed buns. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take pork shoulder and we slice it thin, and then we're gonna give it a quick little smash to tenderize it. So let's get to it. Put this right here. I'm gonna put plastic wrap on top, okay?
Why do we need plastic wrap?
Because it keeps all the juices from flying everywhere and it keeps your space a bit cleaner. We want to make sure that we work clean, okay? So what we do is we take this. Neil, you're gonna start first, okay? And you just smash it like that, and then smash this side. You want to try? Yeah, go.
This is what it should look like when it's done.
So if your pork is a little bit too thick, you can score it just like this. And then it'll help tenderize it. And then when you pound it, it'll be easier to make thinner, just like that.
Now we're gonna marinate the pork.
You may be asking, what is sand ginger powder? It's a spice that you can find at most Asian supermarkets. Sand ginger is related to common ginger and galangal, but tastes very different. It is often used as a dry rub and is a key ingredient in salt and pepper prawns. You can leave it out, or if you can't find it, substitute fenugreek powder with a little extra white pepper.
All right, so now we get started on our steamed buns. So we need our mixer and all these ingredients right here.
Now we're gonna turn it on to stir.
There's our dough after kneading for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna let it rest for 15 minutes and we're gonna come back to it. Okay, now our dough has rested for 15 minutes and we're gonna roll it out. So first you wanna flour your work surface. Just get it around like that. Get a little bit more over here. Yeah, get a little bit out there. And we're gonna try and roll it out into a rectangle. Let's put a little bit on top. There you go. Yes. So when you're rolling, you always want to roll it out from the middle, just like this. Okay, good. Okay. Now it's your turn. Okay, now here, roll from that in the middle out. Okay, so now that we have a rectangle, we're gonna roll from this way up. Tight, just like that, right here. Yeah, you wanna roll? Go ahead. Nice. Good job. Okay, perfect. And then when I cut it, let's cut it in half. Let's do 6 pieces. Boom. So here we have a steamer pan. Go like this. Yeah, just fill it out in there. Good job. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna let it rest for about 15 more minutes. That's our proofing time. And then we're gonna steam them off and we'll come back.
It's time to eat.
Or I'm gonna just drizzle a little tonkatsu sauce on there and finish it off.
Looks so good.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
That is good.
A little more.
So light. So light and fluffy.